Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is a makeup tutorial on this really cute, just beachy type of makeup. Perfect if you're going to the beach or the pool, the lake, and you kind of just want to look a little bit like presentable, but you still want to keep it super natural because you might be sweating. So yeah, I really liked how it turned out. This is going to be the makeup that I'm going to be using on my trip in a few days, so I figured might as well show you guys. How cute is this little mason jar? And the little straw that I put on it with the flower. So cute. Let's just get started with the look. So I'm going for like a very beachy kind of makeup look. I am going to the beach in a few days. I'm going to California, so I figured I would just kind of show you guys my like pool day beach makeup look that you can literally do probably in like 5 or 10 minutes. So first off, obviously pick your favorite sunscreen and apply it. I just went with the Glow Recipe one. Just gives me a really nice glow, and I really like it. I'm gonna mix some primers because I've just been loving a few primers lately, and I don't know which ones to use, but let's see. I know we want like hydrated, glowy skin, but still kind of keeping it super natural, like our real skin's like peeking through. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. So it's gonna be the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Plump Right Back Electrolyte Primer. I really, really love this one. This one's obviously a great one. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay. Hi. I'm Dory. Do this one first. Actually, it doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna actually mix them on my hand. I was gonna apply one and then apply the other, but it's easier to just do that. I've never mixed these two before, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. I've mixed the NYX one with other primers before, and it always does so good, just mixed with anything or even just like on its own. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of just, you know, cover up, concealer, all of that. So first I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution, the Eye Bright stick. I love this so much. And we're gonna put it under the eyes. It's a little bit light because I wanted to like highlight with it when I bought it. So I'm just putting it on my highlighted areas. It's really nice though. Like the consistency, it's amazing. It's super creamy. It doesn't dry down fast, which is nice. So you can kind of take your time. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of like sort of foundation. I don't want to wear too much because like I said, I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to wear this to the pool, so I'm probably going to sweat. I'm probably going to be swimming, so I don't want like too much, but I want to look cute, you know? So I've been really loving this. This is the Maybelline Green Edition, the Tinted Oil. So freaking good. I love this. So all I'm going to do is just drop literally the tiniest bit. On my skin. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out everywhere. I don't want, again, too much because we want our natural skin to kind of peek through and stuff. We also are gonna be sweating and all that stuff, and I really don't like to wear makeup like when I'm going to the beach or the pool or something. But sometimes I like to have just like a little something. Got to the base. It's looking really good. My freckles are still popping through, and I don't feel like I have too much on my skin, which is nice. Powder, just a tiny bit. So this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I saw that they came out with like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury like halo or the like glow foundation sort of thing. I forget what it's called, and I really want to try it out. So maybe I'll go to Target later. I really should be spending money because I'm going away, but do some cream contour. You guys already know I've been loving this. This is the Makeup Revolution, the eye concealer that we used earlier in a lighter shade, but I like to use the dark shade for cream contour because it's that good. So I'm gonna kind of just put little dots. I think we'll leave it like that for now. And then we go into my favorite brush. This is the NYX 37 brush. I've been just, this brush is just amazing. So we're just gonna stipple it in to the skin, and then we'll go ahead and use a beauty blender to blend it out because it is a little bit intense. So I like to stipple it in first, and then I go ahead and rub in like circular motions. I know I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. I'm so sorry. I've been like busy again. I'm just like been in a rut of trying to kind of come up with content that I'm like genuinely proud of and want to do. I don't want to like force content. So that's where I've been at. I've also kind of been focusing more on TikTok. It's just easier, not easier, but I don't know, I love TikTok. So I've just been posting a lot on there. So give me a follow. But we're gonna use some blush. I'm just debating what blush I want to go in with today. Actually, I think I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty one. I haven't used this one in a while because I've just been so obsessed with the Stay ones. They just are a little bit more creamier and easier to blend than the Rare Beauty. But this is like the shade I'm kind of going for. So this is in the shade Happy. I just love her packaging. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap it on. A little goes a long way with this product. And then I'm just gonna use that same brush, and then we'll go in with a sponge afterwards. I just find with this product, you kind of just have to work it into the skin quickly, where the Stay one, you don't necessarily have to. I like a lot of blush, especially going to the pool and stuff. That's like a must. And with some liquid highlighter, but then we're gonna set the blush after the fact because I really like blush, so yeah. Now with the Merit highlighting, what is this even called? The highlighting Balm and Bounce. You guys watched my channel recently. You guys know I love this. It's so good. Like the little nose highlight. I'm living. Just living. So I kind of just like to stick it on like that, and then I kind of go ahead and blend it with my finger. We're gonna set the blush with some e.l.f. This blush is so good. This is the Always Cheeky blush. I really like this one. So I'm just gonna do like a light sweep. Nothing too much. Again, we don't want to take away the shine or anything that we've got going on. I've been trying out this little mini Kosas Air Brow, the Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. Oh my gosh, I really like this. I love Kosas though. I love their foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations, and you guys know I hate foundations, so yeah. Now, I would recommend using waterproof mascara, especially if you're going to the beach, the pool. I really like this one. This is the Colossal by Maybelline, the Curl Bounce. This one is waterproof. This is such a good mascara. It's hard to get off though. So if you're not going to the pool or to the beach, I don't know, like I would recommend it, but it is a little bit harder to get off. So keep that in mind. I just don't feel like going through the hassle trying to get it off today. So I'm not going to use it. but I highly recommend this one. I am gonna go with my tried and true. See, this hurts my thumb to try to even hold this, but tried and true Thrive Cosmetics mascara. This one is so good. I also really like the Merit one, which the packaging, let me show you. Packaging, so cute. But I've just been using this one lately. I kind of want to switch it up. We're almost done. This is like what the face looks like. I'm really happy about it. It's so cute. And we're gonna move on to lips. So I have this really amazing product that I got from Prime Day that I really like. I touched my lips because, again, we're going to the beach pool. Like, I'm not gonna line my lips or anything, but I've been really liking this. This is the Noonie, the Appleberry Lip Oil. It's like a lip oil. They have different ones. This one is just like the Appleberry one, but it kind of like stains your lips like a little bit red. And it's like a pinky red. I really like it. And it's just so cute to kind of throw into your bag. It doesn't really like smell like anything, but I like this oil a lot. And it gives just the slightest color. So, yeah. Like, how cute is that? It gives like the perfect little tint. I love it. So I like to just, it like gets darker as you put it on. So I just like to kind of rub it into the lips. It's like the perfect little stain. Like, I don't know. I really like it. But then I'm gonna go on top with my Summer Fridays lip butter in vanilla and put that on top. This stuff's also so good. Okay guys, this is it. I put my hair down. We are ready to slay the day at the beach and the pool or the lake, whatever it is. Like, I'm living. It's just so cute, fresh, like perfect for just that summer midday in July, like Lana Del Rey says. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any other video suggestions or you want to see anything. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.